Now that the weather's getting colder, it's time to start making them cold start videos. It actually snowed a couple days ago. Today isn't really all that bad, but a good day for a cold start. I'll start with the Caddy, which is for sale, by the way. Does not run too well on the choke. It doesn't idle too well either. But carburetor needs to be gone through. Give it some pumps. Got our digital temperature gauge, which starts the reading off at 104 degrees. That's why it shows that. Alright, let's see what happens. Oh, look at that. Started right up. See, on the choke, it idles real low. It's odd. I haven't figured out exactly what the problem is, but I'll figure it out. And then once it warms up, it kicks right up to like 700 RPMs idling. Sure sounds good though. Idling low like that. Now we move on to the 72 Chevy pickup, which I've had for 3 years now. I got big plans for this truck, but I need to sell that first. Oh yeah, that's right, my keys are in that car. Hold on a sec. Now for this one. This hasn't been started in a while. Maybe like 3 weeks. That one I was running the other day, yesterday, of course, because I drive it every day. But still cold start. It's been sitting all night. This is a real cold start. And this has no choke. Give it a good amount of pumps there. Starter can use a shim. Oh, almost got it there. Still not exactly sure what I'm going to do with this truck. If I don't put a Cummins in it, the next thing would be a turbo diesel Detroit that would bolt right up to my bell housing. And the next thing after that, if I didn't find one of them for a decent price, would be an LS swap. And they're all over Craigslist. And that wouldn't be a bad swap either. That would be, you know, a decent amount of power. But I'd really like to put a diesel in this with stacks coming out of those holes that I have in the bed. want this thing to be down for years. This 350 is a little bit tired. I mean, it still runs great. It's just a little bit tired. It burns some oil. I think I was putting 1 quart of oil in it every fill up. I mean, it leaks some oil too, so you know it's not burning all that oil. It's leaking some too. But I want to do something a little bit different than a small block. I want to put a diesel in it, but we'll see. I don't know. But she's running. Seems like a rare thing to have more than one vehicle that actually runs. It doesn't happen too often around here. This thing is smoothed out, as you can hear. Let's see what she's running at. 550 right now. This has got dual thrush mufflers on it, and this has straight pipes. Of course, this is a small block, so it's quite a bit different. Sounds quite a bit different. More raspier. This has more of a mellow rumble. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, and have a nice day.